Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's lesson is called Easy English Discussion for Beginners A1B2, Improve Fast, and it is designed especially for learners who want to practice natural English in a clear, simple, and enjoyable way. In this video, you will hear a long conversation between Emma and Ryan. They will talk about daily life, routines, communication, personal growth, hobbies, social situations, working habits, learning English, and many useful topics that you can use in real conversations. This lesson is perfect for A1, A2, B1, and B2 learners because it uses long, natural sentences but still stays clear and beginner-friendly. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below to tell us which topic you want next. Now, let's start practicing natural English together.
Hi Ryan. It's great to see you again. How have you been these past few days?
Hi Emma, I've been doing well, just trying to manage my schedule and stay productive.
That sounds good. Have you made any changes to your daily routine recently?
Yes, I'm trying to wake up earlier so I can start my day with more energy.
Waking up early is a good habit. What do you usually do first in the morning now?
I drink water, do a light stretch, and plan my goals for the day.
That sounds very organized. Does planning help you feel calmer?
Yes, planning helps me focus and reduces stress during the day.
I want to try that too, because sometimes my mornings feel too fast and stressful.
Even a short plan can make your whole day feel easier and more peaceful.
True. Do you still go on your evening walks after work?
Yes, I try to walk every evening to relax and clear my mind.
That sounds nice. Do you listen to music or podcasts during your walk?
Sometimes I listen to music, but other times I just enjoy the quiet.
Do you think walking helps your mental health?
Absolutely. It helps me feel calm, balanced, and refreshed.
Do you ever feel lazy to walk?
Yes, sometimes, but I remind myself that even a short walk is better than none.
Has your productivity improved since changing your habits?
Yes, I feel more focused and more motivated to get things done.
Have you changed your eating habits too?
A little. I'm trying to eat healthier meals at home instead of buying fast food.
That's great. What kind of meals do you usually prepare?
Simple meals like vegetables, chicken, rice, and sometimes soups.
That sounds healthy. Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, cooking helps me relax and it feels good to prepare my own meals.
Cooking is fun when you have time.
Exactly, it becomes stressful only when I'm in a hurry.
Do you prepare food for the week?
Sometimes I prepare meals for 2 or 3 days so I don't have to rush on busy days.
Let's talk about communication. Do you enjoy talking with people?
Yes, I do, but I also need quiet time to recharge after long conversations.
Do you think communication skills are important?
Very important. They help avoid misunderstandings and build healthy relationships.
Have you been practicing your communication skills?
Yes, I try to speak clearly and listen carefully during conversations.
Many people speak too fast.
Yes, but I'm learning to speak slowly so others can understand me easily.
Does speaking slowly help?
Definitely, clear speech makes communication smoother and more comfortable.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I like hearing different opinions and learning from others.
Do you sometimes feel nervous when meeting someone new?
Yes, but I remind myself that it's normal to feel that way.
What helps you feel more comfortable?
Asking simple questions helps start a friendly and natural conversation.
What questions do you usually ask?
I ask about work, hobbies, or favorite activities.
Those are good topics.
Yes, they are easy, friendly, and comfortable for everyone.
Do you like going to social events?
I enjoy them, but too many events can be tiring for me.
Do you prefer small groups or big groups?
I prefer small groups because conversations feel more meaningful.
Big groups can be overwhelming.
Yes, it's harder to have deep conversations in large groups.
Do introverts and extroverts behave differently?
Yes, introverts need quiet time to recharge, and extroverts gain energy from people.
Which one are you?
I think I'm an ambivert, a mix of both.
Let's talk about personal growth. Do you set goals?
Yes, I set small goals to stay motivated and track my progress.
Do goals help you improve?
Yes, they give me direction and help me focus.
Do you write your goals down?
Yes, writing helps me stay organized.
Many people only think about goals but never write them.
Writing makes goals feel real and easier to follow.
What goals are you working on now?
What goals are you working on now?
Do you still read every night?
Yes, reading helps me relax and learn new ideas.
What kind of books do you enjoy?
I enjoy self-development books and stories from different cultures.
Do books change your perspective?
Yes, they help me see the world in new ways.
Do you read in English?
Yes, reading in English helps me improve my vocabulary.
That's a great way to practice.
Yes, and it also builds confidence.
Have you started any new hobbies?
Yes, I'm learning photography.
Do you take photos indoors or outdoors?
Mostly outdoors because the natural light is beautiful.
Do you want to be a professional photographer someday?
Not necessarily, but I want to get better at capturing meaningful moments.
Hobbies make life fun.
Yes, they reduce stress and encourage creativity.
Do you think everyone should have a hobby?
Yes, hobbies help people feel happier and more relaxed.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I rest, see friends, and sometimes explore new places.
That sounds enjoyable.
Yes, weekends help me recharge after a long week.
Do you plan your weekends or keep them flexible?
I like a mix, some plans and some free time.
How do you balance work and life?
I set boundaries so I can enjoy personal time.
That's important.
Yes, balance keeps me healthy and focused.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, traveling helps me learn, relax, and discover new cultures.
Have you traveled recently?
Yes, I visited a nearby city and enjoyed trying local food.
Do you travel alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends because it feels more fun.
Do you plan your trips carefully?
I plan the main things but also leave space for surprises.
Smart idea.
Yes, it makes the trip enjoyable and stress-free.
Do you save money regularly?
Yes, saving helps me feel secure and prepared.
Do you follow a saving strategy?
I try to save a small amount each month.
Do you shop often?
Not really, I buy things only when I need them.
Online or in store?
Both online is easy, but in stores I can see the product.
That makes sense.
Yes, each has advantages.
Do you use apps to organize your life?
Yes, I use calendars and notes to track tasks.
Do you check your phone a lot?
I try not to. Too much screen time is stressful.
Do you use social media daily?
I use it sometimes, but not too much.
Let's talk about exercise. Do you work out?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week to stay healthy.
What exercises do you enjoy?
Running, yoga, and simple home workouts.
Do you exercise alone?
Usually yes, but groups are motivating too.
How do you stay motivated?
I set small, realistic goals.
Any tips for beginners?
Start slow and stay consistent.
How do you handle stress?
I walk, breathe deeply, and sometimes meditate.
Do you meditate often?
A few times a week, it helps me focus.
How important is sleep?
Very important, I try to sleep 7 to 8 hours.
Do you have a bedtime routine?
Yes, I relax and avoid screens before bedtime.
Do you drink coffee at night?
No, it keeps me awake.
Do you enjoy healthy meals?
Yes, healthy food gives me energy.
How often do you eat out?
Once or twice a week.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I enjoy exploring different cuisines.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, they help me improve listening.
Do you use subtitles?
Sometimes, but I try not to.
Do you listen to English music?
Yes, music helps with pronunciation.
Do you enjoy singing?
Yes, even if I'm not very good.
Are you learning any new skill?
Yes, I'm learning basic computer skills.
Do you study every day?
I try to study 20 to 30 minutes.
Do you like online courses?
Yes, they are flexible and convenient.
Are they effective?
Yes, if you practice consistently.
How do you track progress?
I take notes and do small tests.
Do you write in English?
Yes, writing helps me think clearly.
Do you journal?
Yes, I write simple daily reflections.
Do you speak English with friends?
Yes, practicing with friends helps a lot.
Do you make mistakes?
Yes, but mistakes are part of learning.
How do you correct them?
I repeat the correct version and practice it.
Do you talk to people from other countries?
Yes, I enjoy learning about different cultures.
Do you use video calls to practice English?
Yes, it helps me get used to different accents.
Any advice for shy learners?
Start with small conversations and grow slowly.
Do you enjoy group conversations?
Yes, they help improve listening and speaking.
How do you handle disagreements?
I stay calm and listen carefully.
Is daily practice important?
Yes, even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Do you like learning idioms?
Yes, idioms make speech more natural.
Has your English improved?
Yes, slowly but surely.
Will you keep practicing every day?
Yes, consistency is the key to improvement.
Great. Let's continue learning together.
Absolutely, with practice, we will speak more confidently every day.